Dear friends, today let us discuss about 30 stocks including Bata India, Apollo Hospital, Hindustan Unilever, etc. Those have announced split or dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Maharashtra Scooters Limited. Share is trading around rupees 7,740. Company announced a dividend of rupees 60 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is fixed as 28th June 2024. IndusInd Bank Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1,463. This company announced a dividend of rupees 14 per share. Ex-date and record date is also 28th June 2024. AstraZeneca Pharma India. Current market price rupees 6,250. Company announced a dividend of rupees 24 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Hindustan Unilever Limited. Current market price rupees 2,333. Company announced a dividend of rupees 24 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 14th June 2024. Bharat Petroleum Corporation. Current market price rupees 629. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of BPCL, you will get 100 more shares as bonus. Total you will have 200 shares. To get the benefit, you have to purchase the shares of BPCL before 21st June 2024. Divi's Laboratories Limited. Current market price rupees 4,307. Company announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. Ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Current market price rupees 540. Company announced a dividend of rupees 16.5 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is fixed as 9th August 2024. Bajaj Auto Limited. Current market price rupees 9,100. Company announced a dividend of rupees 80 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 14th June 2024. TCM Shriram Limited. Current market price rupees 979. Company announced a dividend of rupees 6.6 per each share. Ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Oil India Limited. Current market price rupees 635. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.75 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 12th July 2024. Oil India Limited. Current market price rupees 635. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:2. One bonus share for every 2 shares held on the record date. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 2nd July 2024. To get the benefit of bonus of Oil India Limited, you have to purchase the shares of Oil India Limited before 2nd July 2024. Chennai Petroleum. Current market price rupees 915. Company announced a dividend of rupees 55 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th August 2024. Bharat Rasayan Limited. Current market price rupees 10,700. This company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited. Current market price rupees 1,759. This company announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 7th June 2024. Goyal Food Products Limited. Current market price rupees 174. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per each share, but the company has not decided on the record date. Alkyl Amines Chemicals Limited. Current market price rupees 1,893. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th June 2024. GIC Housing Finance Limited. Current market price rupees 207. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4.5 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 28th June 2024. Remedium Life Care Limited. Current market price rupees 77. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 10 shares of Remedium Life Care, you will get 30 shares as bonus. So total you will have 40 shares. Ex-date and record date for the issue of bonus shares is 6th July 2024. Cinderella Hotels Limited. Current market price rupees 51. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share, but the company has not decided on the record date. Bharat Dynamics Limited. Current market price rupees 45 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 80. Company announced a dividend of 85 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Current market price rupees 163. This company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 12th July 2024. Hawkins Cookers Limited. Current market price rupees 7,330. Hawkins Cookers Limited announced a dividend of rupees 120 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th July 2024. Bata India Limited. Current market price rupees 1,361. Company announced a dividend of rupees 12 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 31st July 2024. Gloucester Limited. Current market price rupees 850. Company announced a dividend of rupees 20 per share, but the company has not decided on the record date. Navin Fluorine. Navin Fluorine International Limited. Current market price rupees 3,187. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 5th July 2024. Yamuna Syndicate Limited. Current market price rupees 31,000. Company announced a dividend of rupees 400 per each share, but the company has not decided on the record date. Apollo Hospitals Enterprises. Current market price rupees 5,845. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is fixed as 17th August 2024. Cummins India Limited. Current market price rupees 3,544. Company announced a dividend of rupees 20 per share. Both the ex-date and record date fixed as 19th June 2024. Bharat Petroleum Corporation (BPCL). Current market price rupees 628. Company announced a dividend of rupees 21 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 9th August 2024. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Hind Petro. Current market price rupees 540. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 2 shares of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, you will get 1 share as bonus. So total you will have 3 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 21st June 2024. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.